Welcome to SAP Knowledge in a Nutshell. As role concepts encompass numerous quality and security aspects that require continuous monitoring, the Role Profiler as part of our XAMS solution is designed to identify and resolve issues that may arise over time. It provides transparency into role quality, SAP SU24 proposal values, and potential risks, such as critical objects in roles. Let's take a closer look at how it helps ensure your roles remain consistent, compliant, and secure. The Role Profiler is organized into a structured folder layout, which is shown on the left-hand side. Each folder contains a set of reports on specific topics. Before we take a closer look at the available folders, let's focus on the selection process. Usually, only certain roles or users are being checked in day-to-day business. Depending on your selection, additional options may be needed, such as expanding composite roles or filtering users by type or group. Once you have selected the desired criteria, confirm your setup to proceed. Now that we have defined the range of roles to be scanned, let us explore the folder Role Quality and Sustainability. Expanding this folder reveals several reports focused on ensuring that roles adhere to standard compliance procedures. Let's start with the first report, which identifies all manual authorizations within the profiles of the selected roles. These manual objects should be avoided as they don't show an entry in the Where Used list. The report provides a detailed overview showing the number of manual authorizations per role. By double-clicking the number, you can open a detailed view of these authorizations. A red traffic light next to it indicates whether any manual start objects were found. It is important to note that transactions and other menu objects are usually assigned via the role menu in order to keep the role concept standard compliant. In a standard compliant role concept, it is essential to not only check for manual or changed objects within roles and profiles, but also to optimize the SAP SU24 proposal values of related menu objects in order to ensure maintainability. The Role Profiler supports this process by providing several SAP SU24 optimization reports based on system rules. Let's open the Parameter T-Codes S-Taboo report. This report scans the selected roles for parameter transactions based on SE16, SM30, or SM31, which grant access to tables. When a table is accessed, the system checks for an S-Taboo authorization object. The report shows which transactions access which tables and whether these objects are correctly maintained in the SU24. A green light means everything is okay, while a red light indicates missing proposal values. If you see a red light, you can update the SU24 values directly from the report. Use the arrow icons to select whether to maintain S-Tab-Judis or S-Tab-Junam. In expert mode, you can perform mass updates to speed up the process for larger selections. Now let's take a closer look at the Role Activity Watchdog Reports folder. These reports help to track activity-related authorizations, ensuring that roles do not contain unwanted or unnecessary access. For example, the Read-Only Roles Watchdog. This report scans selected roles for authorizations that go beyond read access. Before running these reports, it's important to define an appropriate selection of roles. Here, we're using roles that follow our standard naming convention for display roles. After executing the report, the results appear in a format similar to the role quality reports. You'll see a list of all roles with non-read-only activities, and by double-clicking on the number in column errors, you can view the detailed authorizations that need adjustment. As you can see, the Role Profiler provides a range of powerful tools for scanning, analyzing, and optimizing roles and profiles in SAP. In addition to role quality checks and SU24 validation, it includes watchdog reports that highlight authorizations unintentionally assigned within roles. With these capabilities, you can maintain a stable, compliant, and secure role concept while continuously improving the quality and security of your SAP authorizations. Thank you for watching. Do you want to see the XAMS and its Role Profiler in action? Then contact us and we will get back to you with a short demo.